The underlying premise is there is no science without language. Language is oral language, written language, speaking, reading, all of those great pieces. And what we're trying to do is purposefully set up opportunities for kids to negotiate meaning through science inquiry.
Oh, why else? What else does this word mean? Maybe when you're outside of school. Oh, what do you mean by that? Write me more. Okay. The word time. I want to know what that means to you. Why is that change to you? It's student driven. The kids tell you what they need. I'm not feeding them information. They're feeding me information. The ownership in their learning is awesome. Kids naturally ask questions, and then that tells me what questions I can ask them. It's a fun approach. It's fun for kids. They see a purpose of it in real life, in their learning, and can see how they apply it, and it just helps them make sense of the world around them. What does change mean to you? What is change?
Like your mom is having a new baby sister, a new baby brother. Your family's gonna change with another sibling.
Families change.
I think like when you get older and you get out of school.
Your life changes when you get older and you get out of school. You change. Why else do things become old? Those new things that you're talking about, I'm gonna walk away and I want you to think about that. Why does something become old then? Why do these brand new things become old? It's intrinsic motivation. It does your classroom management for you. On your own, I want you to think of change. Looking at those books, I want you to think about things that you wonder. What do you wonder about change? What do you wonder? Just looking at those books, maybe reading them through the pictures. What questions do you have about change and what you're seeing in these books? Okay? You are going to now write questions. Who can repeat the direction of what you're to do next? Learning to read nonfiction is huge. It's so neat how kids just naturally through this process are picking up on it. And it's not easy to read nonfiction, but that's our world. I would like to have a little negotiation. Is it okay if at the end of our conversation your thoughts have changed?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. How about this, Junior? What's the purpose of your summary? What's the purpose of your writing?
I just mostly do like pictures that actually help with the words too.
So are you doing a comic strip?
Mm-mm.
No? Are you doing an actual story?
I'm also doing like pictures on like zigzag and then do words all the way down.
Okay. What's your purpose for your summary? Is your purpose to persuade someone? Is your purpose to tell what you've experienced? Is your purpose to inform someone, to entertain them? Over on the tables. On your own, I want you to think of change. Looking at those books over here, not yet though. Looking at those books, I want you to think about things that you wonder. Jackson, I'm over here. I want you to think about things that you wonder. What do you wonder about change? What do you wonder? Just looking at those books, maybe reading them through the pictures. What questions do you have about change and what you're seeing in these books? Okay? You are going to now write questions. Who can repeat the direction of what you're to do next? What does that mean to you in the word change?
The people can change
Any questions you have about that?
Okay, so Cliff Bars. I got them in the middle because we're not sure yet. All right, and I know we have some different ideas out there, so let's be good listeners. And what do you think? Are they healthy?
I claim that it is a healthy choice because it has 22% protein and it has 100% vitamin E. And the 5-20 rule, if it's 20 or more, it's high. You probably need high.
I agree with Alex because there's only 6 grams of fat, and there's and then there's 30% of vitamin A, and the 5-20 rule, it's more than 20, so it's really healthy.
Is vitamin A important?
Yes.
Yes.
I agree with Alex because it has 90% of vitamin C.
I disagree with Alex because
Do you think it's not healthy?
I claim that it is not
Okay.
healthy because there's 21 grams of sugar.
I disagree with Kaden because that's only the sugar, and look at all the vitamins. There's vitamin C is 90%, vitamin A is 30%, calcium 25%.
I disagree with Jack because it has 240 milligrams of sodium.
I disagree with Andrea and Jack because I claim Cliff Bars are both. It is in the middle because it has a variety of vitamins, and it is not healthy because it has too much calories, sugar, and sodium.